Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your debit or credit card to Apple Pay. So let's get started. First things first, Apple Pay cards are managed through the wallet app on your iPhone. So make sure you have the wallet app installed. So this app comes pre-installed on your iPhone. So if you don't see it, you can still go to the App Store and search for Apple Wallet and download it. It's Apple's official app. So once you have opened the wallet app, tap on the plus button here and you will get the option to add a card. Here you want to select debit or credit card. Before adding your card, make sure your bank supports Apple Pay. If you're not sure, you can quickly call your bank and check with them. Only supported cards can be added here. So once that is confirmed, tap continue. Now you have two ways to add your card. If your card supports contactless or RFID, you can simply place it near the back of your phone and it will automatically scan the card details. If it doesn't pick up, you can choose to enter the details manually. Let me show you both options. First, if you place the card near the phone, it will scan and fill the details automatically. Then you can just follow the next steps and tap continue. If you want to enter it manually, tap on enter card details manually. Enter your name, then card number, then continue. Next, enter the expiry date and security code, which is on the back of your card. Once that is done, just tap continue. Now you will see the terms and conditions here, just tap agree. At this point, your card is almost added. If you have other Apple devices like Mac, Apple Watch or iPad, you will see the option to add the cards there as well. If you don't want that, you can simply uncheck those devices. So once everything looks good, just tap add. Now, depending on your bank, you may need to verify the card. Usually, this is done through a text message with verification code. Once you receive the code, it will either autofill or you can enter it manually. After verification, your card is successfully added to Apple Pay. Now, to use the Apple Pay, simply double press the power button and your card will appear. Then just hold your phone near the payment terminal or POS machine to complete the payment. And that's it. So that's how you add your debit or credit card to Apple Pay. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.